Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we will talk about OKOS. Okay, so this is a decentralized finance on Tron. Okay, so their initiative is to bring DeFi projects on the Tron network. Okay, so what is OKS? So OKS is Tron based synthetic assets. Okay, so you can trade on OKX exchange commodities, stocks and indices. You can also trade fiat currencies. Okay, so synthetic assets are backed by OKX network tokens, which is called OKS, which are logged in a smart contract as a collateral. Okay, so you can trade fiat currencies, commodities, stocks and indices in synthetic assets. So these are all called synthetic assets. Okay, you can trade synthetic assets like peer to contract on OKX exchange without liquidity limitation. Okay, so there is a really low liquidity limitations. Then there is a trustless token exchange. Okay, so they are trying to build exchange like Uniswap. Okay, if you know about Uniswap, if you use Uniswap, you know how it works. So they have designed a exchange like a Uniswap. They have their own exchange also, but they have their second exchange, which is Uniswap, which is looks like this. Okay, it is same of replica of Uniswap, but it is of OKOS and it is known as OKOS Swap. Okay, so how to use it? You have to just connect your wallet through TronLink and it will connect, and you have to just select any currencies. If you want to exchange TRX into USDJ, you can do that. Okay, then we will talk about their roadmap. Okay, how they are working according to the roadmap. On Q2 2020 alpha launch of token distribution events and official Tron mainnet launch. Okay, so the token distribution event is still ongoing. If you want to take a part in it, okay, so I will give this link in the description. You have to just come over here and click on token sales. Okay, so right now the price of one OKS is around 0.025. okay, so which is over here, and it is only buyed in TRX. Okay, if you want to buy in BTC, Ethereum or other currencies, okay, or like USDC, so you have to purchase around $10,000 plus amount if you want to buy from BTC, ETH or USDC. Okay, right now they are supporting only TRX to buy. Okay, and around 10 days are left about this sale, and 30% of the supplies are sold, which is a really good thing. Okay, so then they will on Q3 2020 they will list on exchange. The OKS token will be listed on many exchanges. Okay, and then in Q4 2020 they will launch their mobile interface, mobile app, and the Telegraph to Tron network. Okay, put to Telegraph to Tron network. Then in Q1 2021 they will integrate Chainlink technology, and it will be they will go towards a decentralized platform. Okay, and in Q2 2021 they will support for more complex trading stuff. Okay, so they will add some more synths, okay, in their exchange. Okay, so this is the whole roadmap of OKS. Okay, the team is the co-founder and software engineer is Kevin Holder, and Albert R is the co-founder, and Matt is the scientist. Okay, so if you are a blockchain engineer or a scientist or a marketer, they are hiring right now. Okay, so if you want to give your application, you have to just go to the Telegram or any of the support, and you have to just go and give your all documents over there. Okay, so we will talk about the exchange. Okay, how to use this exchange. You have to first connect towards the TronLink, and after that there is a synth, which is what are synths. Okay, right now this is USDT and BTC, they are all since, okay. And this is TRX, where you can buy from TRX, and OKS, okay. Right now OKX is not listed, I think so, yes, it's not listed right now, and after listing it will be in OKS trade date pair, okay. So you can see you can USDT to ETH, okay, USDT to TRX, you can trade in this pairs, okay, like ETS to CHF, then GBP for AUD, Euro, USDT, okay. So this is how the whole network works. I think you have understood how the OKOS works, okay. So if you want to purchase the OKS token, you can come here and send you can read this instruction, okay, and you can send the amount to the address, and they will give you OKS token immediately, okay. Talking about, they are running a bounty over here. They are running a bounty over here. Around 3 lakh tokens, 300k tokens are there in bounty funds. If you want to join the bounty, the link will be given in the description, okay. There are Facebook campaign, Twitter campaign, then translation campaign, video campaign, article campaign. If you are a good writer, you can write. Their Medium page also campaign, their Bitcoin Talk signature campaign is also available, okay. So these are the all campaigns right now available in the bounty. If you want to join the bounty and earn free coins, okay, you can definitely join the bounty too. The link of the bounty will be given in the description. So this was it for the today's video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and comment down below what you like about this project and you're gonna buy it or not, okay. So this was it for the today's video. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.